Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In this video, we'll see some unknown features of Windows 10. So let's start. The first feature is Clipboard History. How that work is, suppose I copied this and I copied this also and the last one also we copied, right? So if I goes to my Word document, if I paste here, it will paste only the last one, right? But there is another feature is also there which is Clipboard History. To enable that, press Window V. Now you will see whatever I copy, I can see each and everything, right? So if I want to paste, I have to just click that one. So enable again. So let me paste this also. Okay, this is how you can use the Clipboard History feature. To enable Clipboard History, press Window key and type Clipboard. Okay, so then click on Clipboard setting. Now you will see here the Clipboard History option. So make sure it is on. Okay. The second feature is Virtual Desktop. Suppose I have opened so many applications and windows, right? And suddenly I got a meeting invite with my office colleague where I have to share my screen. Instead of closing all these applications, I can create a virtual desktop. To enable that, press Ctrl Window D, right? In this way, you can create a virtual desktop. And if I want to switch between the desktop and the virtual desktop, again press Ctrl Window key and the left hand key. Okay. If I want to close the virtual desktop, what I have to do is go back to the virtual desktop, then Control Window and F4. In this way you can close the virtual desktop. The third feature is hide desktop icon with one click. Suppose I want to share my screen with office colleague or someone else. So now you can see I have a different applications or folders and files. So if I want to hide this one, what I have to do is right click, go through the view and then click on show desktop icon. Now in this way you can hide all those applications and the file. If I want to see my files again right click, then click on show desktop icon. This is how you can hide or unhide the files. The fourth feature is Quick Assist feature. With the help of this feature, you can get the remote access of any of the system. To enable that feature, what you have to do is press Window key, then type Quick Assist, then click on this application. Okay, then you have to log into this one. Okay, so now you want to assist another person, so just click on Assist Another Person. Then you have to give your email address. Okay, and give the password. So it will connecting. It will take another 1 minute or less than 1 minute time. Okay, so now you can see it's shared some security code. This 6-digit security code you have to share with your person to whom you want to assist. Okay, this is how you can use the Quick Assist function or feature. The fifth feature is Minimize with the Shape key. So how that work is, suppose I have opened so many applications and I just want to focus on this Word document. What I have to do is just hold on this one and just shake. Now you can see all other application has been minimized, and if I want to open those application again, what I have to do is again shake. Okay, now you can see everything is open again. This is how you can use this feature. The sixth feature is Snip and Sketch. This feature will help you to take a screenshot of any of the windows or application. To enable that, press Window key, then type Snip and Sketch. Then click on this application. You will see this particular application will open. Then click on New, then Snip Now. Okay, there you will see the 4 different options. One is rectangular snip, then freeform snip, then it's like window snip, and the last one is full screen snip. So how it works is, suppose I want to take a screenshot of this particular windows only, so just click on this and then you can save it. This is how you can use this particular feature. I hope you like this video. Please let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Dos. Thank you.